Okay, well, I took the front end apart with my wife's help and forgot to record. So I'm just going to show you all the stuff, all the parts laying everywhere, and then I'll show you the front end. And I'm in the process right now of cutting the frame. And then after that's done, we're going back together with it. So let me show you. All right, there's the left side, knuckle, hub, strut, cross member, or lower control arm rather, CV axle. There's the diff. Don't know where to write, and the rotor way over there. And the right side, or driver's side rather, that was the right side. This is the left side. All this stuff's over here. Don't know where. Oh, there it is. Control arm. Got to swap the knuckles over to these and put these brackets in. So that's what we're doing now. Let me go over here and show you what I've already done so far. Okay, I hope you can see all this. This has all already been taken apart. Everything's missing out of here. I just ground on this to get the clearance here I needed. Some of the kits say you got to cut this side too, just like the other side, but this one don't. I don't know why. But anyway, all this stuff is missing. Let's go to the other side. All right, this is the driver's side. If I can get my creeper seat to roll right here on this stupid rocky driveway. Anyway, right there's where the front side of the control arms go. Right here's the back. This right here, hope you can see this. This right here has to be cut right through here to cut off this piece. So that's what I'm fixing to do here in just a minute. Then of course, the cross member now bolts here. But once this is cut off, the rear cross member is going to bolt here. And then the control arms are obviously going to be lowered and bolt to the bottom of the new cross member. So let's do that. All right, I got the cross member marked out. I just started a little cut right here with the grinder, just so the Sawzall blade don't flop all around before it gets started cutting. Once I get this piece cut all the way across, then I got to come back and do this piece here. So let me do that. All right, hopefully you can see this right there, from there down, all, up and over and around to the other side. Cut them off, and had to cut this one off a little bit. I may end up still having to round this edge off a little bit more to clear the diff like I did that one, but this was up there, now it's not. Installing the passenger side diff drop bracket, just torquing everything down. Already torqued the other one, the other bolt, just to make sure. All right. Okay, check this out. We're using the icon. Trying to torque this. About the only thing that would fit up in here. That was a good click, wasn't it? All right, let's try to get this one. There we go. This is the driver's side drop bracket for the diff. All right, today's a new day. We're going back together with the front end. So let me show you that. Okay, as you can see, I got the strut installed. Of course, the drop brackets are in and the lower control arms are in. Drop brackets are torqued. Can't tighten that lower control arm or the shock or the upper control arm till the vehicle's sitting on the ground. And it's got the weight sitting on it because everything will come up. So I got this side in, the other side's already in. I don't know if you need to see that. It looks the same as this. It's just the other side. So I got to finish tightening these top strut mounts or bolts and then torque them and then continue on with the knuckles and everything. Oh, and as you can see, Icon. They work great. Say what you want. One more. It's the one back here with the stupid wiring harness in the way. That's annoying, ain't it? Wiring harness is in the way. Well, I say it is. All right, check it out, Icon. Now we got to torque these to 35 foot-pounds. All right, there we go. We got to get this bracket right here cut. Okay, we're at the back, putting the brake line drop bracket on, and I'm going to tighten up the sway bar links, and then I still got to put the shock in. And I'll after I get that done, I'll show you everything. If this socket will go on. Okay, hopefully this shows up. Got the shock in. Obviously the spring, those springs was not very fun. Everything. Let's go to the other side, and I guess I'll show you that. All right, as you can see, we got this right side, passenger side, all done. Drop bracket. I can tell you, drilling through to put those in, oh, that was a pain. Anyway, so I still got to put the fender liner in. So let me do that, and then get the tire on it, and then get it off the jack and jack stands. So let me do that. All right, there it is off the jack stands. Everything put back together. Whoa. I still got to take the wheel chalk out from under the front, but that sucker looks good. Okay, that's it. It's installed. Now we got to go get the tires put on the rim. So I ain't gonna lie, I'm beat. So let me go, or let us go get that done, and I'll come back with the new tires on the wheels and show you that. Show you how it looks, the final. All right, as you can see, I got a lot of parts I got to get rid of. Got 4 rims like that and 4 tires. That's the old tires that was on it. Unfortunately, them rims did not work out. So let's go over there to the truck and show you. Okay, hopefully you can see this. It's all done. Tires are installed, new wheels. The tires and everything worked. I mean, obviously I drove it up there to the alignment shop with the old rims and tires on it, but they didn't hit with these tires on those wheels. The tires hit the knuckle right here. I hope you can see that. And these are almost touching, looks like. So I ended up having to get those wheels. The truck was up there at the alignment shop, tire shop, Discount Tire. Those guys are awesome. They cut me a really good deal on those rims, wheels, whatever you want to call them. And they get the tire out just a little bit, just enough to clear that knuckle. So let's walk around this side, show you from the street. Okay, well, I guess that's it for the install video. I know I didn't show actually doing very much work, but I needed to hurry up and get it done because my truck was down, right, for every how many days. But I didn't work on it every day. So that's the main reason why I needed to hurry up when I did work on it. And the reason I went ahead and got wheels, I could have got spacers and used my factory wheels, but my truck was up there stuck at the alignment shop. They would have had to take the big tires off the rims and put the street tires back on that I'm going to sell, I guess. And then me drive it home, order some spacers, and then go back up there and put the big tires back on it. They cut me a good deal. These wheels was only, I don't remember how much they charged me, but they cut me a good deal on them. And I got a tire warranty and all that, and I didn't really want to use spacers anyway. I don't remember what they said, a 1-inch spacer that bolts on and then you bolt the tire to it, the wheel to it. I didn't want to use that. So I have to say, the guys up there at Discount Tire, they worked their butt off. They humped it. They did good, especially having to take those tires off and on twice, right? So, and they did me a good price too. So I appreciate that. Thank you very much, Discount Tire, for doing that. That's all I got for this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.